Tello is an inexpensive and compact quadcopter drone that would really be a good option if you're a beginner who's looking for an easy-to-use quadcopter that can be used for developing your skills before you reach the stage where you can start using high-end drones. In terms of design, the Tello measures 1.6 inches in height, 3.9 inches in width, 3.6 inches in depth, and weighs approximately 2.8 ounces, which makes it extremely lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere you go. Thus, when it comes to its aesthetics, this unit has a white and black combo finish, of which the white is dominant at the top, while the black is equally spread across its bottom part, and the propellers that are protected by the guards will shield the Tello from hitting into a wall or tree. In addition, at the front you will notice the small 5-megapixel camera that does a really good job in capturing photos and recording videos. So, looking at it as a whole, this device looks definitely unique. But now let's talk about the features. Tello can be operated via the included remote controller or through its smart application that has an intuitive user interface and many interesting features that will surely ease and enhance your control over the device. To be more specific, the Tello app will let you have the option to make 8D flips with this quadcopter, the throw and go option, and much more, so you can download it and use each of its options. I'd also like to inform you that this unit is powered by an Intel processor and a vision positioning system which does a good job in facilitating a stable hovering. What I also like about Tello is its ability to fly 10 meters vertically and up to 100 meters away, while capturing JPEG photos and 720 MP3 videos. When we add its VR compatibility, it means you can watch everything in a first-person view. Finally, Tello can operate up to 13 minutes per charge according to the manufacturer, but in practice you may get around 10 minutes. But for the price you pay, this is quite good. Overall, the Tello quadcopter drone deserves your attention because it's affordable and performs really well.